Hello and welcome back once again to your online art and craft class. Children, we had already made animals with the help of numbers from 1 to 8. Now let's take a quick revision of those animals. So we had made a tortoise with number 1, a duck with number 2, a cat with number 3, a camel with number 4, a lion with number 5, a fish with number 6, a snake with number 7, and a rabbit with number 8. So we had made these animals. So today in this video, we are going to make animals with number 9 and 10. So let's see what are the things that are going to require. So you will need your copy, your pencil and crayons. First, let's write today's date, 23/11. Then we will write here CW, which means classwork. Now let's write the number 9. So this is our number 9. Now what you will do is you are going to draw like this. See, I have drawn a line here like this. Can you guess which animal is it going to become? Can you guess now? Yes, it's a snail. Snail. And do you know the snail walks very slowly? This is our snail. This is a snail. Snail. This is a snail with number 9. Let's write here number 10. 1, 0, 10. Isn't it? Now what we will do? We are going to join from here like this. Then here like this. Then we are going to draw a circle like this. Then here two circles here. What is it? It's a pig. It's a pig. See, with the help of 10, we have made a pig. This is a snail. This is a pig. Pig. So now let's color. Snail. See, I have colored the snail. Now let's color the pig. And these are the last animals that we have drawn with the help of numbers. In our next video, we will do something new. So that's all for today, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.